Hello, it's Miss Bass again, and I am recording this video so you can follow the step-by-step on what to do this week. This is your view, the student view for the Canvas page, and here is your assignment. Your assignment is going to be posted on May 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo, by the way. So it's going to be posted, and I'm going to show you. This is all that you see in your screen. So it's the section 0 where your plans for the rest of the year are going to be, your section 7 and your section 8. That's all you have. And I'm going to leave the student view for now so I can show you what your assignment is for this week. So the first thing you're going to do is says practice, and it says use vocabulario nuevo 1. And it says section 8. And responde en español. So you are going to answer incomplete sentences. So what you do is you look at the question. You're going to open your vocabulary. So your vocabulary is on section 8. And when you open the vocabulary, you click and you have an electronic copy of the vocabulary for this class. I'm waiting and still waiting. You see, we were together, we would be chatting about something. Now I'm talking to myself, waiting. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there while we go back to the activity. It's still loading, so I'm gonna wait. So you're just gonna look at the question, find the question in the vocabulary, and then answer the question in Spanish. So it's gonna be a complete sentence. Okay, it's still going. Then you have your activity. So that's like a short little practice. But then you're gonna have your activity, and for your activity it says how to greet someone in Spanish, and you have a video here, a YouTube video that you're gonna watch. These are your notes that you have that explain about what we're doing. And then when you click on greetings, you're going to open this page. And you have these examples of greetings in Spanish. So I put the greetings in color, and then I put the meaning of the greeting in black. So you can make a poster. That's my suggestion. You make a poster, you put all your greetings using different colors and put it somewhere around you in your room so you can practice and learn some ways to say hello. And there is also one for the saying goodbye. So when you click on that one, you're gonna find your goodbye. So you can make your 2 posters. It says right here, click on the links below. I'm gonna fix it in a minute. To see some examples of greetings and goodbyes in Spanish, make a poster using different colors and hang it somewhere where you can see it and practice every chance you get. So that is like your lesson. That's how you're gonna learn the greetings. Let's see. Oh, the vocabulary finally opened. So here is, so the first question you have is this one, number 5. So you see the meaning right here, and you're going to answer the question, but you're not going to answer the question in English. No, because it's a Spanish class. So you're going to use the translation, and of course you're going to complete this. So I'm going to show you how you answer this. This is what I would do. So I will copy these questions. Let's copy these questions. And, oh, that's number 1, yeah. So the box that is given to you for the answers is going to look like this. I'm going to clean this one. There. It's going to look like this. So what you do here is you answer number 1. And then you can paste your questions. And in front of that, you are going to answer the questions. So I go to the vocabulary. How do I say this? I say me llamo. So I type me llamo, and then you put your name, Peter. Okay, and you select this and you highlight it. There you go. You got the answer. Now, the second question is this one. ¿De dónde eres? So this one is ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Peter. ¿De dónde eres? Entonces, then you go to the dónde eres. Where is that? Oh, here it is, number 12. Number 12. And that means where are you from? So I'm going to say this. So I start with this. And then you put where you're from. So you answer, soy de, and for example, you're from around here. You say Carolina del Norte. Oh, Norte. Okay. And so on. I'm not going to answer everything for you because then you don't have work to do. And then you're going to get all bored. But that's your first part. For the second part, it says that you need to complete your Quizlet. So to complete the Quizlet, I am going to show you, let's cancel this here. And we go back to the page, the Canvas page. And you are going to the section 7. On the section 7, and remember in your student view, it looks different. Let's do it from student view. So you go to section 7, it's right there. And you have different options here. But for the section 7, you're going to click on Quizlet. And you're going to find a Quizlet that says greetings and goodbyes. So you go right here. Da, 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 da. Okay, I'm going to pause this for a minute. Or for a second. While it loads. Oh, it loaded already. Okay, it was taking a little bit to load, but now it is. So this is what I want you to do. And mine is in Spanish, but yours is gonna show in English. And while I was waiting, I went back to the assignment and put some more information that I noticed it was gonna be useful. Okay, in this one, the features that the flashcards, you are gonna have the words. Oh, this is terrible. It's so slow. So you're going to have your words. So you click right here.
Hola.
And it tells you the word. So you know how to say it.
Hola.
And that's just for you to practice.
¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás?
So you can practice your words.
Tanto tiempo sin verte. Tanto tiempo sin verte.
All right. So you have your words there that you can use. So we're going to go back. And these are your actual activities. So that's just for you to review the words. And then you have this 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is learn. This is writing. And this is spelling. And this is a test. So when you do the learn, you're going to type words, or you're going to pick from multiple choice. So, hasta pronto. And then you say, and it tells you it's correct. Ya me voy. So you just do that, and then it's going to give you like a completed. When you finish, it's going to be completed. So you just put completed, and you highlight it. And you go to the next one. The next one is writing. Writing. So in this one, you have to write the words. So it says, write the answer in Spanish. No, this one, I think it says something like oh, it says incorrecto. It's hasta pronto. Okay. So it tells you to press any, and then you just put the next one. Hasta Okay, so and then you press any, so it shows you how many. Oh, I was already doing it, I guess. So it shows you the advance and in the results in general, and you just continue. That's the round one. So when you put your answer, you just go what round you finish. Like you can be in round one or round two, it doesn't matter. And then you give the answers, and then you put the answer and you highlight it. Then you go to the next one. That's the spelling right here. And it's basically saying you listen to the word, you type, it says write what you listen. So you click here,
¿Qué tal?
listen the word, and it gives you the special characters there. So you can do it right. And it tells you it's
Cuídate.
correct. So the green button shows you it was correct. So if I do it incorrect, this is what's gonna show. It's gonna say incorrecta and gives me the answer.
Cuídate. C-U y con acento D-A-T-E.
Y me
Cerrar
deja deletrear.
exclamación.
And it spells for me.
Cuídate.
Alright. That's the spelling, and now we're going to the last one, that is the test. So in the test, you're gonna have I'm pretty sure it's 25, 15. Yeah, that's 20 questions. You got 20 questions, and you had different ways. So it's a question and answer, and then match, and then multiple choice, and then true and false. Okay? So all those results, what you do is you copy this in same. We already had the other answers there, but you're gonna copy this, or this one if you prefer. You copy this one, and then you put your own results. So your box is gonna look like this. Once again, your box is gonna look like this. It's blank, and you're just gonna paste your results here and highlight them, don't forget, and tell me what your answers are. You put your answers. Like for example here, let's say it wasn't round 1 but round 2, and this one, let's say that this is not 11 but 13 out of 13, and let's say that you score a 90% in your test. Okay, so you just go ahead and highlight them and highlight them. Okay, so when you send me your answers, you're gonna send me this, this will go first, this will go first with the answers, and then the other one. Answer highlight, and then the other ones. That's the two things that you need to submit on Canvas. How you submit on Canvas? On top of the assignment, on top of the assignment, you're gonna find a button here that says submit assignment. You click there, and that's when it shows you the blank box. As usual, if you have any questions, because, well, this was a long video. I was planning on making it short, but it went too long. So if you have any questions, let me know and send me an email. Some of you had done so. Thank you very much for emailing me your questions, and I'll be glad to help you or prepare a conference for you so we can meet and I can help you. I hope that this video helps, and we stay in touch. And for SpanishMinutes.com, last time I forgot to tell you that we could actually play a game. There is a game right here. It's really fun. So I'll leave you with this game, and we'll stay in touch.